In this video, I wanted to show you really quickly how I edit and pin product pictures from my phone to Pinterest, and it takes less than 2 minutes. So when you're selling online, the most important thing is to edit your product pictures so it's catchy, it's crisp, and it's attractive. Because if it's not all of those things, your potential customer just doesn't click on it. So my preferred app of choice is Lightroom, and I will be showing you how I use Lightroom in this video, but it's totally not necessary, and you can use any free or paid app or just what comes with your phone, the editor. For when you click on the edit picture from your gallery, you can use that, because basically you only need like standard edits, standard modifications, nothing fancy. So in most cases I tackle only 3 things: highlights, contrast, and exposure, well, and brightness sometimes. And here I played around with clarity because I wanted my picture to be a little bit more crisp. You can also play around with texture if you're selling some kind of a fabric, if you want your textures on your product stand out a little bit. So once ready, I save it to my phone, and from there the next step is the actual pinning. I will show you 2 simple ways to pin, and the first one being the short route is just sharing from your gallery your product picture. You just go to your gallery and you click on share button and you share it to Pinterest. Choose the appropriate word, that's it. Or the second option is you can go directly to Pinterest and you can create a pin from scratch. To be honest, the second way is better for your SEO, for the search purposes, but you'll also be able to write your title, your description, your alt text, and you'll be able to provide the link that leads directly to that product, for example, on Etsy or on your website. And this way is better because all of those places is each separate opportunity for you to optimize your pin for SEO, so how you'll get found in search on Pinterest. All right, don't overcomplicate things, just start pinning whatever you have. Trust me, I know that you are your worst critic, and I know that I'm my own worst critic, but I also know that nothing gets done, nothing gets moving when we stay in our comfort zones. Just make sure your picture is bright, it's crisp, and it's attractive to click on. Just put yourself in your potential customer's shoes. Would you click on that picture? Can you see the product clear? Maybe the background is too busy, but those are all the things that you actually have to think about before taking a picture. But when it comes to editing, don't overcomplicate things. Try to play around with things like brightness, contrast, exposure, maybe clarity a little bit, but don't go overboard with that because the picture will be distorted. So yeah, this is how I do things. If you've got a question, ask away in the comments and I'll share what I know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.